We are so excited to bring you Virlo 1.2. In our latest update, you can now connect both your TikTok and YouTube accounts and get AI-powered insights into the content that you are posting, including the best posting times, hashtags, and how your content has performed. Not just that, you can now use our content canvas to script viral video ideas for you. So I've got ranking content right here, a popular niche on YouTube Shorts. And when I add in YouTube videos and the custom prompt around ranking, I get ranking content videos made for me with links to YouTube videos to include. But not just ranking content, I can also generate TikTok shop videos through Virlo. So I just have to add in links to TikTok videos around one particular product that have gone viral, then add in the TikTok shop prompt from the pre-selections and click generate. And a TikTok shop script will be made for me that I can now use for a video. Those are just two of the brand new features we've added to Virlo, alongside the outliers feature we've already had and brand new niche drill down, so you have understanding of the top ranking creators in each particular niche. Come join along. We have over 10,000 users on our platform, and if you join our Discord, you get a special 5% coupon code.